Alright, so this video I'm gonna be showing you how to replace the glove box handle. Went and got this bad boy earlier from Pick and Pull. This works for Dodge Magnums, Dodge Chargers from 06 to or 05 to 2010, maybe longer, who knows. So got me a little pick, and I did break the handle. If you're replacing it, you might as well break it. I broke it right off the hinge. The hinge just slid it right off. So if you can see in there, well, if you don't want to break it, this will be something you could look at too. But if you can see in there, it's a little spring. Above that spring, I won't be able to see. Angle it so y'all can see it. Above the spring is like a little black lever. You can pull down, see it? Black sliding lever. Once you pull that down, just pull it, and boom, it's open. Because that black lever just pulls this. And then to take that out, just these two bolts. Then snap the new one in. It's that easy. And if you can't find, like, I don't got no stubby screwdrivers. Using is this a quarter, and then I just, yeah. It's funny because I never really looked at this thing. It's all from the previous owner. Some light bulbs and a Domino's receipt. Wait. That's actually mine. And then yeah, they should just come right out. This is gonna fall right out. Then just slap the new one in there.